Hello, it's HardReset, and today I'm gonna tell you why Philips HomeRun 7000 keeps driving in circles. Sensor that we have in here always sensor if the vacuum cleaner is maybe under something, under the tight space like a bed or a drawer, and if it is, it tells him to turn back. But if you put something in here, perhaps maybe, I don't know, phone, or maybe some kind of cloth just fall down on it, then the robot keeps driving in circles to find a way out of it. But it can't because it's still on the sensor. That's it. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.